Hi, welcome back to my channel. So before I get started, I'd just like to say a huge thanks to everybody who likes, comments, shares, subscribes, all that stuff. And extra special thanks to Carol and Carol, two Carols. One who left me a super thanks and the other one bought me a coffee on my Buy Me a Coffee page. So thank you very much for your support. I've got a new microphone, so hopefully you won't be able to hear me heavy breathing. Right, so a while ago I made a video with the pen holders, which they're super quick. It was like a 5-minute video. In the video, it was just normal fabric, not directional fabric. So if you made it the way I made it in that other video, you're going to end up with one side. If you're using directional fabric, you're going to end up with one side the right way up and the other side upside down. So I thought I'll do the video again. I'll show the old way and how to do it with directional fabric and how gorgeous are these fabrics. Okay, so my pieces are, how big are they? 24 inches. This one's 24 inches. This one is 24.5 inches. For the tabs, I'm using, you could use jelly roll strips for these. My tabs are 2.5 by 2. You want to fold them in half, make a crease, and then fold your outsides in and fold it over again. And we're going to sew down here and down here, and I'm going to do both of those. Okay, so the first one is 24 inches by 2.5 inches. And I'm going to fold it and find the middle. These are so quick to make. Then I'm going to bring that middle up to within about 1.5 inches from the top. Bring the other end up to meet that top. Get your tab. If you're using a D-clip that doesn't let you, you might need to put it on now. I'm going to pop that in the middle. And put a clip on it. Okay, right, with this one's a bit different because we don't want it to be upside down. So this is 24.5 inches. I'm going to cut off 6 3/4 inches. I go 6 3/4 inches. Where's me? We're going to fold it up like that. So your raw edge meets that folded edge. You should end up with about 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches, yeah. about 1.5 inches. And then you can take the piece you cut off, make sure it's the right way up. And we're going to put it on top. We're going to add our little tab. Nearly put tabbing upside down. Right, I'm going to start sewing here. I'm going to go all the way around. And I'm going to stop sewing here. I'm going to leave that gap there. I'm going to do the same on both. Okay, when you've done them both, you're going to cut off those corners all the way, all 4. Cut off that excess there. Okay, where that gap is, fold your fabric, just so it makes it easier to tuck back in later. Okay, now turn it through the right way. Right. Now I'm just going to give them a little press with the iron before we top stitch. Okay, now we need to top stitch all the way around the top on both of them. If you do make one of these, you could show me on the community page, on the community tab on my channel. Show me whatever you're making, post a picture, even if it's not from my channel. I'd love to see what you're making. There we go. Add your dangly bits. You don't have to add dangly bits, but you can. That one with the directional fabric, both right way up. And we're all done. Thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you on the next one.